Hey, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought, I've got knowledge, I've got experience, but how do I actually turn it into a product people will pay for? If that's been on your mind, today's video is going to be a game changer. Because I'm going to show you how to turn what you already know into a profitable AI-powered course using a tool called GuruOS. Here's the reality. Most AI tools are narrow. One does video, one does copy, one does images. They're helpful, but you're still the glue holding everything together. You're still copying outputs from one tab to another, trying to stitch a business together. And let's be honest, that's exhausting. What just opened to the public flips that around. GuruOS isn't just another tool. It's an operating system of AI agents that actually work together. They share the same understanding of your business, they hand tasks to each other, and they run like a coordinated team. That means you stop being the glue. Here's how it works. You start by uploading what you know: documents, notes, transcripts, even a recording of you talking. GuruOS doesn't just skim it, it studies it. It builds a working understanding of your tone, your frameworks, your point of view. And then every agent inherits that. From there, the course agent maps out modules and lessons in a real transformation arc. Not a generic info dump, but a structured journey. It produces both a polished video course and a professional eBook with done-for-you templates. That means you've got a sellable product on day one, without recording yourself or designing a single page. Now, let's talk about the part where most course creators stall: the membership and community. GuruOS spins up a gamified community with leaderboards, points, badges, and viral referral links built in. An AI scheduler keeps the group active around the clock with posts and discussions, so your community doesn't go silent the second you stop logging in. That's huge, because engagement is what keeps members paying month after month. And here's the kicker: GuruOS doesn't stop at building your product and community. It brings in the marketing muscle. A marketing agent writes your sales copy and assembles your landing page. A traffic agent generates branded social content geared to sell your specific offer. A coaching agent supports your members 24/7 in your voice. A chat and lead agent works your page, captures emails, and routes visitors. So instead of you scrambling to hire copywriters, designers, and community managers, GuruOS gives you a coordinated team of AI agents that already know your business. Let's make this practical. If you're an expert in any niche, you can turn what you already know into a faceless course brand without recording lessons yourself. If you run an agency, you can clone a client expert into a full operating system and rent that team out as a monthly service. If you're a complete beginner, you can pick one small evergreen niche, let GuruOS build the product and the community, and use gamification to bring in your first members. And here's why this works. GuruOS is trained on the exact playbook Ben Murray and his team used to generate over $20 million in real launches. These agents aren't improvising. They're running a proven blueprint, just at AI speed. Now, here's the part you don't want to miss. The launch pricing is one time only. The team has already said it moves to monthly billing after the launch window. So if this is something you'd actually use, today is the right day to grab it. So, if you've been sitting on knowledge, waiting for the right system to turn it into a profitable course, GuruOS is that system. It's not just another AI tool, it's your AI team. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below telling me what niche you'd launch with GuruOS. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next one.